As expected and as I shared earlier in the day in my morning analysis, gold failed to break past 1745 levels and traded with a drop, achieved close to 1733. Similarly, both US 30 and US 100 also trading with a drop here. Now, what is going to happen? Which position we should take with the US cash session? We will try to see with the help of candlestick charts and indicators. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment. Do not forget to press the bell icon and do listen to the end. First, we'll listen to gold followed with Nasdaq 100 and in the end Dow Jones. So do listen to it carefully and do press the bell icon. Let's start the day with gold. Gold on the hourly charts is again trading outside the Bollinger Bands. Here is a support at 1733 which it is failing to breach past by, and there is a resistance now at 1741 levels. If it break past 1741, go long there, then 1743 1745 levels should provide a resistance, and beyond that only one can expect that it is going to reverse strongly, else it is trading with a bearish bias. However, there is a support here at 1733-32 levels. Be watchful. Directional movement is bearish. Stochastic is oversold. MACD has crossed over and trading with a bearish bias. It is divergent. RSI looking downwards. And if you look at the 2-hour charts, on the 2-hour charts too, this is trading outside the Bollinger Bands, and hence it is getting the support, getting the pull again on the upside. Be watchful of this. There is a resistance here at 1740-42 zone. Be watchful of this. Any move above 1745 is the only level beyond which one can go long and one can expect it to rise. Else, yes, with the support at 1732-33, it may again try to swing till towards 1740-45 levels. Be cautious. I think a range bound day should be there. Not much of a movement we should expect. But let's have a more detailed look. Directional movement is bearish. Stochastic is again into oversold levels, and if you look at the MACD, this is on the verge of a crossover, and this is going to be a bearish crossover. RSI again sloping downwards and trying to enter into oversold levels. Similarly on the 3-hour charts, see after this how much points movement we have seen, 1745 to almost 1736 levels, almost $9 of move, and from here 1736, so you can expect another $9 that will try to take it till towards 1727. That is a possibility that it may try to drop till there before it looks over to any further rise. Why? Because see, this is the consolidation zone in which it was trading, and this is trying to break out. So be cautious till the time it is below 1745. I will not recommend you to go long. Directional movement is bearish. Stochastic is again in oversold positions. MACD is trying to converge and cross over for a sell. RSI looking downwards here. And if you look at the 4-hour charts, on the 4-hour charts, see here is the breakout. You can see this is the breakout here. It is trying to trade below this zone, and probably see only my worry point is here is that it is getting the support here at 1733-34, and it is also trading at the bottom of the Bollinger Bands, which indicates that probably it may try to get some support before it looks over to a drop. But yes, I think if not this candle, probably next candle it may try to drop more till towards 1727. So till the time it trades below 1745, one can remain short. That is very clear. But at the same time, one must not forget that 1732-33 levels you have to be watchful of. If it drops below 1732-33, then only go short. So in between 1732 and 45 levels, be cautious. Rather, I will say 1730 and 1745 levels we have to be cautious, and a larger trading zone is between 1727 and 1745. So this is what it appears here. Directional movement is bearish. Stochastic is again in oversold levels. The MACD is trying to converge. Still it is bullish. RSI is again in oversold levels. And if you look at the daily charts, on the daily charts you will observe that it is trying to give you a drop here. See, it is trying to come back. It is dropped below this pivot at 1740. It is trying to drop. The support there at 1730 is strong, and below that we may see a further fall which may try to take it till towards 1727 and 1725 levels. So yes, till the time it trades below 1745, one can definitely remain short, and any highs till 1745 is a good level to remain short. And be watchful of this zone at 1732-33. Below that again you can get some $5 of move, almost 1727-25 it can try to achieve. So be watchful of this. You can take your position at around 1730-33 levels. Go short there, expect 1727 and 1725 levels, which might provide a very strong support. Below that it is going to hit 1720 also. So this you can take. And now let's have a look at the directional movement is bearish. The stochastic is oversold. The MACD is wide divergent and bearish. and RSI is oversold. See, a bounce back is must on gold. I will be just watchful how low it can go before it tries to bounce back, and that is why I say let be cautious here in this zone 1732-33. Almost every other indicator on the time frame are oversold, and hence it might get some support, strong support at 1732-33. Below that it can give you further drop till towards 1727, 1724-25 zone and 1720. From there a bounce back is must in gold. Probably it may again go back till towards 1750, 1760 zone. If not today, then possibly tomorrow, day after tomorrow. So you can take your positions accordingly, and before it looks over to a rise, there could be larger swings. So stay cautious with your positions. Only long entry is above 1745. Be watchful of 1745. That will hold good for the rest of the week. If it trades above 1745, go long, and one can expect a reversal in gold. Till the time it trades below 1745, I will not recommend a long position, but the shorts should also be cautious as it is oversold. However, one can remain short, but with a strict stop loss and with a trailing stop loss. So take your positions accordingly. Now let's have a look at Nasdaq 100. See, Tech 100 on the hourly charts failing to sustain this. It is trying to drop, however getting the support at 12,020 levels. As I told in morning that 11,970 level should provide a support. It has provided it a support, and it is trying to bounce back. Only long entry, as I told again in the morning, that only long entry is about 12,100. It is failing short of this and trying to reverse again. So be watchful of 12,000 and 12,060 levels. In between this, I will still not recommend any trade there. Directional movement is bearish. Stochastic is trying to cross over for a sell entry. MACD is trying to cross over for a bullish buyout. RSI is trading flat, and if you look at the 2-hour charts, on the 2-hour chart, see, here is this candle. After a bullish candle, this candle failed to decide a direction. This candle failed to decide a direction. The bulls failed to take the charge here, and that is why we can see this reversal. The support here at 12,010 and 12,000 level is going to be strong. Only if it breaks past 12,000, one can expect that it is going to drop more. So go short at 12,000 levels. Till the time it trades about 12,000, do not short anything. So in between 12,000 and 12,060, still be cautious. Directional movement is bearish. Stochastic looking upwards. The MACD is wide divergent and bearish. RSI trading flat, and if you look at the 3-hour charts, on the 3-hour charts too, similarly, one must not forget that here is a reversal. After 3 red candles, there is a reversal candle, and it is trying to rise. However, see, the candle size should be more. It may try to achieve this bottom there and reverse from here. So be watchful till the time it trades above 12,000 level. I will not recommend you to short here anything. So go short only once it is below 12,000 levels, else it might try to bounce back, and any good long entry is about 12,000 30-40 levels. Beyond that, yes, you can stay long, and one can expect a sharp bullish candle which may try to take it above 12,100 probably. Directional movement is bullish. Stochastic is looking upwards. The MACD is wide divergent and it is bearish here. That is one thing which is indicating bearishness here. On the 4-hour charts, if you look at on the 4-hour chart, see, higher lows, support here at 12,000 is very strong. Be watchful of this. Only drop below 12,000 will take it further down, and then I'll look forward to 11,970. Below 11,970, it is certain that it will drop to 11,900 and then 11,800 levels also. So yes, go short below 11,970, and you can expect a further drop. On the upside, 12,060 should further be a good entry to go long. Directional movement not indicative of anything. Stochastic near to bottom. MACD is wide divergent bearish. This is 4th red candle, and it will continue with the bearish momentum. That is what it appears. On the daily charts, coming back to the daily charts, see, on the daily charts, lower highs, higher lows, trying to consolidate. 12,150, 11,950 levels. You have to be cautious in between these 200 points. So we can try to make out the best out of these 200 points. Once it drops below 11,970, it is certain that probably we may see it coming to 11,900, 880 and then 800 levels. Directional movement has crossed over for a bearish move. It may try to pull it more down. Also look at the stochastic. This is overbought and it is looking forward to a sell entry indicative of a red candle. MACD is wide divergent and bullish. RSI is trading flat, indicative of a further bearishness. So yes, in between 12,000 and 12,060, I will not recommend you to take any position. Beyond 12,060, you can go long for 12,100, and above 12,100, it is going to remain certainly bullish, where one can expect 12,150, 12,000 200, and beyond that it is going to hit 12,280 levels. So take your positions. And yes, on the downside, if you see it trading below 12,000 levels, the nearest support it will get it is at 11,970, and then 11 below 11,970 we can expect it to hit 11,920 and 11,900, rather I will say 11,920 and 11,880 levels. If it breaks 11,880, it is certain that we can expect it to hit 11,800 also. So take your positions accordingly. Go short below 12,000, go long above 12,060, and do not trade for these 60 points. However, the larger support zone, larger trading zone, it appears is between 11,950 to 12,150 levels. Take your positions accordingly. Now let's have a look at Dow Jones. See US 30 on the hourly charts. After trading in this bullish channel on the hourly charts, it is showing a strong reversal. Now again, I will be looking forward to 31,220. If it trades above 31,220, go long there. Else it is looking forward to a bearish move, and we can expect sharper red candles. That is what is expected. Be watchful of 31,100. So in between 31,100 and 31,220, do not trade. Directional movement is bearish. Stochastic is trying to cross over for a sell. MACD is still trading bearish, and RSI is looking downwards on the hourly charts. On the 2-hour charts, similarly you will find this is the second green candle, and after this it is tried to reverse. So this is a reversal. I'll be watchful of this zone at 31,100. Till the time it trades above 31,100, I'll not recommend you to go short. Also 31,050, these two levels you have to be watchful. In between these levels, do not trade. Any long entry, yes, it is about 31,220 levels. Above that you can stay long for 31,300 and 31,400 levels. Directional movement is bearish. Stochastic is looking upwards. MACD is white divergent and bearish. RSI is looking downwards. It is right now still not indicative of anything much. Look at the 3-hour charts. It is trying to create higher lows. Probably higher highs are waiting for it there. So be watchful of this. It can try to achieve this zone, and yes, beyond 31,200 we can expect it to hit 31,300 levels. So till the time it trades above 31,100, I will not recommend you to go short, and in fact 31,050 should be a very good support level on any downside move. Directional movement is bearish. Stochastic is looking upwards. The MACD is white divergent and bearish here, indicative of little bearishness. RSI looking downwards. Similarly, if you look at the 4-hour charts, on the 4-hour chart, see here it is getting the resistance here at 31,220 levels, and with that as resistance it is trying to drop. See, the pivot right now is precisely at 31,140 levels. It is seen the highs and it is seen the lower lows. So be watchful of this. It can try to achieve this zone at 31,120, 100 and bounce back from there. So a larger trading zone in between 31,100 and 31,300 is something which we can expect. Only short entries below 31,100 where you can expect 31,050, else it can try to bounce back. Directional movement is bearish. Stochastic is oversold on the 4-hour charts, and yes, the MACD has crossed over. It is white divergent and bearish. Yes, if it tries to reverse, it can again try to come back down. So a swingful movement can be expected in Dow Jones. RSI looking flat. Now look at the daily charts. On the daily charts, there is a resistance at 31,300. This is good resistance, and then 31,400. If you see it trading beyond this zone at 31,400, go long, and it is going to rise strongly on the upside. There is a support here at 31,150 levels and 31,100 levels. Only drop below 31,100 will take it till towards 31,050 and 31,000. In fact, 39,50. So see, one thing is for sure. Till the time it trades below 31,300, I will not recommend you to take a long entry, but beyond 31,300 definitely one can expect bullishness in US 30, and then you can expect it to rise till towards 31,350, 31,400, and then 31,500 will come into picture. At the same time, one must not go short till the time it trades above 31,100 levels. Below 31,100, the next support is at 31,050, and if it drops below 31,050, it will try to breach 31,000 levels and achieve 39,50. And below 39,50, I will be strongly bearish. I will expect it to hit 3900, 3800 levels. So trade accordingly. Go short only if you see it trading below 31,100 levels, then only. So take your positions accordingly. Trade with stop loss. Trade with the trailing stop loss. It might swing a bit before it takes a direction. So be cautious and be alert with your positions. Always keep trading with the stop loss. Always keep shifting your stop loss to cost in order to avoid the losses out there. Take your positions accordingly. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. Thank you.